All right, today is April 18th, 2019. It is 11:40. We're at 24 Greenway Plaza in Houston, Texas. As you see right there, the sun is about to appear as it was raining badly this past morning. So there's the building itself. Anyways, we got an update that I wanted to show you, as I was just told about 2 days ago. Y'all remember that 1981 Otis Escalators that I did a final take on the last time ago? Well, once we arrive into the building, you're gonna see what happened. You see the cover to the far right of the entranceway? Well, you know what is going on here, right? See that sign on that door? See, look at that. Well, you know what that means. The escalators are in the process to be replaced. I just knew it was going to be happening, as I was told from at least 3-4 people over the past month. So we're going to go through the revolving doors. See, this is what the escalator looks like in the building. They have not completely ripped it out yet, but this is what it looks like on their original condition. See, there's your sign that says the escalators are in the upgrade. They're upgrading the escalators, you can see right here. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take the parking elevators upstairs. I'm not gonna film the main elevators this time because I already filmed it. This is where the parking elevators are, right there. And there's your system sensor, spectral alert, strobe. Looks like that's a remote strobe or something. I'm not really sure. Or I'm not sure if it's chime strobe or speaker or something like that. But anyways, here are the elevators. Oh, we got this one right here. All right, let's go up to 3, which is the main lobby. Let's listen to the motor. Right, here we're at 3. There's people up here, so I'm not gonna film them. All right, so see, these are the elevators right there. You see right here. See, this is where it's been blocked off. You see? There's your sign right there. And that's the door that leads into the construction site, which is locked. Yep. It's locked, which is a good thing. So, anyways, I'm not sure if you can see the escalators through that crack. Yep, I can see it. I can see it off camera. See, this is the view from the topmost floor of what the escalator looks like. See? You can barely see the moving steps right there that are being turned off. They just already blocked this over the halls, but they have not started ripping the equipment out. There's your notifier BG12 pull station. Dover traditional Adams replacement call station. Look at that. Oh, we got this one right here. Which floor are y'all going to?
Street.
Street, I think it's, yeah.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. So look at that. These are going to be ripped out here soon. I was just told from ThyssenKrupp today, and also that I might be getting parts from the equipment as well. So just please don't get all excited yet because I don't know what the deal is. So once I have the information, I will keep you guys posted. You already saw this view right here. See that? I'll let you get an upper view right there. I'm not sure if you can see it because I just rose the camera up high. All right, let's go out. You see right here. See, this is what the escalator looks like. See, I can clearly see it right there. And look at this. I can see the Otis nameplate. See? That right there is your Otis nameplate, which is going to be gone. All right, so here's another perspective view right here. Look at this. See, look at this. You can clearly see a view up into the stairs. See? See, there's the moving stairs right there that goes up and down. And that right there, no, you cannot get a good view of the Otis nameplate because the camera is lower down. We'll get a view from this side. This seems to be a much better view right there, see? There's the escalators right there. We'll get one last view of it before it's taken out. And then finally, we'll view that Otis nameplate one more time before it's gone. See, there it is. There's your Otis nameplate. All right, and with that being said, that is all I got to show you. Thank you so very much for watching, and that is going to be it.